Porsche.
I see a man a shot past on a bicycle and I say, Mooney, watch there. And the dog laugh and I say, no, long me not see a bicycle. And there are reason and I tell him, say, yo, remember one time back in the days when me a youth, me dying for own a bicycle. And you see it?
Fuck gonna feel like Derek have to live life too. You know how much I use Derek voice so far him not get no tight and how much laugh we laugh off of Derek. Make him stay and live him life. You know how much time Derek make you laugh, boy. Yeah?
John Rose though, he make you laugh. Look how much people make you laugh. How much straight people make you laugh. Where you pick up a known batty man.
So now people, we have that coming up, you see me I say, but first, respect for tuning into another video. Yeah, and from when you see the thumbnail and the title, then you already know what is on the agenda today, you see me I say. And people right now, after Vybz Kartel purchase his $33 million Porsche, yeah, we see where in which the artist went to collect his Porsche from the car dealership, you see me I say, and instantly a bag of people flock the artist car as you can see on the screen right now, you see me I say, where in which the artist had to be escorted by the police, you see me I say. Also, I have even heard persons in the video stating that, oh, Vybz Kartel buy the car for true, like them they think the artist are prom pushing the artist depon. You see me I say, but basically people, check out this video.
3, 2, 1 to the world.
Yeah, I live in prison, me I make millions.
Kartel really buy it for true. I'm shot, you know. Porsche.
Not for the new poor, get away! Look how the man can't carry, everybody has smeared the man car. Jesus Christ! What can really go so? Huh? Yeah, this are the Porsche. What's up? What's up?
Fully tint, you know?
What's up?
Yeah, man, it's fully tint.
Yeah, so that is it, people. And right now, me have to say big up to Vybz Kartel. You see me I say, just for his influence alone. You see me I say, yeah, basically people, you can see how the people them swarm the artists. You see me I say, yeah, it is kind of difficult for the artists even get out. Even enough people say, yo, look how them smear up the artist car, etc. But best believe me say, more than likely Vybz Kartel need a response about that, because basically the artists love the attention. You see me I say, and basically now people, while on the Vybz Kartel topic, we see where in which Vybz Kartel is sending a message to the ghetto youths them and overall the youths them of Jamaica. You see me I say? So people, check out this and drop on the thoughts down into the comment section what you think about it.
Message to the ghetto youth them, you know? Never give up. Just work hard for your goals and put God first. Now a while ago me and Mooney there are reason and thing, and I see a man a shot past on a bicycle and I say, Mooney, watch there. And the dog laugh and I say, no, long me not see a bicycle. And there are reason and I tell him, say, yo, remember one time back in the days when me a youth, me dying for own a bicycle. And you see it? With the help of hard work and the help of God, a whole heap of houses and cars man own. A whole heap of money, you see it? So remember that ghetto you, never give up. Always work hard and put God in front of everything. Have a blessed day.
So basically people, as we said before, yeah, drop your thoughts down into the comment section, yeah, and make we discuss this situation.
Romeich, basically you control Switzerland ticket. You can't go on a ticket, that make it look so bad, Romeich. You most can't go on a ticket, and you a boss go for world and everybody out there. So most time you a ticket because you cancel this Friday, Romeich.
But anyways, people, right now we see we're in which fans is reacting to Romeich, supporting and helping Derrick Morgan to attend Swiss Lee party, as I say. And basically we know the character of Derrick Morgan, say he's a shaky person, as I say. And basically fans are bash Romeich right now. But people, instead of me, I go tell you now, I'm gonna make you check out this video and form your own opinion down into the comment section.
When Derrick left, Derrick I say, hey, me love Romeich and Swiss Lee, people me rich. Hey, see, you tell me I put Derrick to stay tomorrow. Fuck you feel like. Derrick have to live life too. You know how much I use Derrick voice so if I am not get no tight, how much laugh off of Derrick. Make him stay and live him life. You know how much time Derrick make you laugh, boy? Yeah? No, they really talk it true. How much time Derrick make you laugh around you? How much time? Lord man, if that's the man thing, that's the man thing. I want to brother to come yo, Lord man. Yeah, the man enough laugh, make man laugh. Man make you laugh.
So basically, people, due to this statement, fans are bashing Romeich, stating that the producer is trying to commercialize the shakiness in the business. Because basically, you can even hear Romeich say, yo, AC ma put Derrick in. And enough people don't really like this because at the end of the day, you know that Derrick is a shaky person. But basically, not only fans, but Foota Hype also reacted to this. And basically, Foota Hype cheat people. Because we all know how Foota Hype stay. Once you deal with the shakiness, Foota Hype go burn you out. So right now, Foota Hype cheat people and he might talk up a bug thing. So I want to check out this video and form your own opinion down into the comment section on this situation.
So me never know say the excuse for get where as a batty man and for give joke. Oh. That's why the podcast where your own boy say him getting batty play with and him like it and not say nothing. Because enough people don't know say you're a podcast, you know. Enough people don't know you own the podcast. We are different Jerry badness. We will laugh with Jerry joke. No sprat can't give in a joke. I want to hear. Serious business we are dealing. Straight nation, I want to hear. Come around here like you promote batty business. You can go complain now to the general. Yeah, because you love complain to the general. Go and go complain. You move like a batty boy, Romeich, straight. Look like you get a piece of money to promote battymanism in the music and in a dancehall. But John knows though, he make you laugh. Look how much people make you laugh. How much straight people make you laugh. Where you pick up a known batty man. It's not even somebody where them say undercover, them not sure about. We sure. And him you want sponsor and give money. While Jerry they write this around a wild time. Remember Jerry in the same zone as you know. But you look past Jerry. Cause through Jerry straight. And Jerry burn fire upon batty boy. So we are gonna make sure say Jerry get piece of food. We are going to make sure, say, Jerry, straight nation, and make sure, say, Jerry get the money tomorrow. Since you are support, do the people, we are support straight people. Yeah. We are going to make sure Jerry get a piece of food tomorrow. My straightness brawling, me not beg no friend for nobody, you know. You don't have to chat to me, you don't have to do nothing, you don't have to care. What kind of dirty, batty business you try shoot on the people and use your money to cover it? You idiot? You think we're blind, yes, sir? You think we're blind? You think we don't see what you do neatly? 3 days now, 2 days back, one day you come and defend batty people. And about them are human, if you allow them live. Where you get that from in Jamaica? And you want run up money now to get this do the boy, yeah? And you know see Jerry, we are talk base straightness, and I deal with the hood in a girl hole, you know, and that you want here. And that you want here. And that you want here, you're not happy, you don't want to sponsor that. You don't want to sponsor Jerry. You're quick for running in me here, oh Derrick look like him like me, you batty boy. I want him here. Jerry me rate. Derek chuck to your mother. I want to you Jerry rate. Straightness rate. I want to you straightness we are dealing. Big up Jerry. No shakiness. Boy, y'all look money for Derek. Pussy wall. All I know is some little shit house. All you know have money. Killer would say, suck out on the money. Bomb buckler. You know, me respect your mother and everything, so I not tell you about your mother. I suck out your money, Romeich. I want to you. Chop to your dirty money, Romeich. Broke your neck in your safe with your whole of your money. But you come push batty business for the people on the side. So you think we're idiot? Well, like when you think when you sleep, boy, I want to know. Shit up the place, I want to know. Go, man. And some girl, me see a post Derek and Derek a batty boy. I want to know post Jerry and Jerry a girlis. You never know. Any man me see post Derek, you're gone, you can't tell me nothing. And what Derek could have said for you one post on your page. We not rate, we not post, we not highlight, we not par with Sprat. You're mad? You're crazy. You don't know if you like me, you can hate me till God come. 2 old men around the place. One a Sprat and one straight. Why are the Sprat one you want to sponsor? Why? And I act like you don't see Jerry. You don't see Jerry around there so with Isabella and him and a girl do them thing. You don't see a big pum the man talk about. And who did a girl hole? I want to hear.
Yeah, so that is it, people, from Foota Hype, as I say. And basically, I want to tell me what you really think about the statement where Romeich make and basically what Foota Hype say. As I say, and basically, people, how much of you did know say Jeffrey podcast and YouTube is owned by Romeich? Yeah, share your thoughts down into the comment section and make me know. As I say, also we see where in which Foota Hype even say, yo, why Romeich no help Jerry when at the end of the day Jerry is a straight man? Why Romeich choose to help Derek, which is a shaky man? But anyways, people, me gonna leave uno to be the judge of all of this, as I say, and also remember to share your thoughts down into the comment section, and also give this video a like. Yes, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so that you can get all of the latest updates from Flava Media Entertainment TV. But people, you already know how we do the thing over here already. Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.